Cool it. What does it mean? Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase you might have heard before, cool it. If you've ever wondered what it really means and how to use it correctly, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Cool it is composed of two words, cool and it. Literally, cool means to reduce the temperature of something, and it is just a pronoun referring to an object or situation. So, if you're telling someone to cool a hot dish, you're asking them to let it become cooler. But, is that what this phrase usually means in everyday conversation? Let's find out. In everyday speech, cool it is actually an idiomatic expression. Instead of referring to the temperature of something, it's used as a colloquial way to tell someone to calm down or to stop what they're doing. For instance, if two people are arguing heatedly, a third person might jump in and say, cool it, to ask them to stop fighting or to relax. Let's go through a few examples to understand its usage better. 1. Mike was shouting at his brother, and their mother said, cool it, Mike. It's not a big deal. 2. You've been working on this project for hours. Why don't you cool it for a bit and take a break? 3. During a heated debate, the moderator might say, everyone, please cool it and speak one at a time. These examples show that the phrase is versatile and can be used in various situations where someone needs to be advised to calm down or take a pause. 1. Context. Make sure you're using the phrase in the right context. It wouldn't make sense to tell someone to cool it if they're literally cooking or doing something unrelated to getting worked up or overdoing it. 2. Tone. The tone in which you say it matters a lot. If said in a playful manner, it can be lighthearted. However, if said in a stern tone, it might come across as a reprimand. So there you have it, folks. Cool it is not just about temperatures but is a fun way to tell someone to relax or take it easy. We hope this video has shed light on this English idiom. And next time you hear it or use it, you'll know exactly what it means. Keep learning and stay curious.